In this video, I'll show you how to make a reverse transition in CapCut step by step. First, import your video and audio from the media section and place them on the timeline. Now zoom in on the timeline and find all the beats in the audio track. Select the audio track and press the M key to mark each beat. Next, split the video exactly where the audio beats are marked. After that, select the video part that you want to make reverse. Click on the reverse icon, then click reverse to apply the effect. Do the same thing for all the split parts you want to reverse. Finally, play the video and preview the edit. And that's it. Your reverse transition is done in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.